Welcome back, dear students. We are learning the second module of the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. What is an ecosystem? Plants occur in distinct groups of communities in areas having similar climatic conditions. The nature of plants in an area to a large extent determines the animal life in that area. When the vegetation is altered, the animal life also changes. So, all the plants and animals in an area are interdependent and interrelated to each other in their physical environment, thus forming an ecosystem. Human beings are also a part of this ecosystem. They utilize vegetation and wildlife. In fact, the greed of human beings has led to overutilization of these resources. We have cut trees, we have killed animals, and thus an ecological imbalance has been created. So much so that there are many plants and animals which have reached the verge of extinction. What is a biome? A very large ecosystem on land having distinct types of vegetation and animal life is called a biome. Biomes are identified on the basis of plants. Types of vegetation. We are learning 5 types of vegetation in this chapter. Tropical evergreen forests, tropical deciduous forests, tropical thorn forests and scrubs, montane forests, and mangrove forests. Tropical evergreen forests. These forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas of the Western Ghats and the island groups of Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. They are at their best in areas having more than 200 centimeter of rainfall with a short dry season. The trees reach great heights up to 60 meters or even above. Since the region is warm and wet throughout the year, it has a luxuriant vegetation of all kinds, trees, shrubs, and creepers, giving it a multi-layered structure. There is no definite time for trees to shed their leaves. As such, these forests appear green all the year round. Some of the commercially important trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. So you can see rosewood, the name has been given to this tree because of the dark red color interior of the tree, and it's extremely hard. The second picture that you see down there is the ebony. So ebony also has this dark brown color interior and it's extremely hard, which is commercially used for shipbuilding, construction activities, furniture making, and all the related activities. Common animals found in these forests are elephants, monkey, lemur, and deer. One-horned rhinoceros is also found in these jungles, and they are particularly found in Assam and West Bengal in India. Besides these animals, plenty of birds, bats, sloth, scorpions, and snails are also found in these jungles. Tropical deciduous forests. These are the most widespread forests of India. They are also called the monsoon forests and spread over the region receiving rainfall between 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter. Trees of these forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous forests. Moist deciduous forests are found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeter. These forests exist, therefore, mostly in the eastern part of the country, northeastern states, along with the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa, and Chhattisgarh, and on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Teak is the most dominant species of this forest. Bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, Kher, Kusum, Arjun, Mulberry are some of the commercially important trees found in these forests. Dry deciduous forests. They are found in areas having rainfall between 100 centimeter and 70 centimeter. These forests are found in the rainier parts of Peninsular Plateau because in few areas in the peninsula it rains very less. So the regions where it rains moderately, in such areas you find the dry deciduous forests. So these type of forests are found in the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. There are open stretches in which teak, sal, peepal, neem grow. A large part of this region has been cleared for cultivation and some parts are used for grazing. In these forests, the common animals found are lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephant. A huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes, and tortoises are also found here in these type of tropical deciduous forests. Thorn forests and scrubs. They are found in the regions having less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. The natural vegetation here generally consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern parts of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. Acacias, palms, euphorbias, and cacti are the main plant species. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. The stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. These forests give way to thorn forests and scrubs in arid areas. In these forests, the common animals are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, and camels. Thank you.